Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Google Keeps account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Google Keeps account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in keep.google.com and make a search. The official page of Google Keeps account will appear on the screen. Enter your email address or phone number and tap on next. In case if you don't remember your email address, click on Forgot Email option. On the next page, enter a password associated with your Google Keeps account and tap on next. Tick mark on the box that says Show Password to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Google Keeps account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.